Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on July 31st, 2025, so just a few days ago. This paper introduces a new method that achieves a state-of-the-art resolution rate of 41.6% PASSET-1 on the SWE bench-verified benchmark. The paper is titled SWE-Exp, Experience-Driven Software Issue Resolution, and it represents a really fundamental shift for automated software engineering. It tackles the problem that current agents are basically memoryless, introducing an experience bank so they can learn from past successes and failures. Also, the authors shared their implementation on GitHub, and it looks very thorough. You'll find the full code for their 4-stage framework, including scripts and prompts to collect trajectories, extract experiences, and then apply that knowledge to new software issues. It seems like everything you need to experiment with it. Alright, so to make this concrete, the paper shows a great motivating example. It's a side-by-side comparison of an agent trying to fix a bug in the Django framework. Without experience, the agent, it flounders. It finds the general area but misunderstands the root cause, and its patch fails. But with experience, drawing from the experience bank, it gets a strategic hint. It's guided to look at how a specific function handles its inputs, which leads it directly to the real problem and a successful fix. It's a perfect illustration of the shift from simple trial and error to a more targeted, knowledge-driven repair process. Building on that example, this figure shows the full SWE-Exp framework. It's a 4-stage process. First, on the left, the system builds its experience bank. An agent solves an issue, and its path or trajectory is analyzed. Key insights, both for understanding the problem and for modifying the code, are extracted and stored. Then, on the right, when a new issue appears, the system retrieves the most relevant experience. This retrieved knowledge guides a dual-agent team, an instructor for high-level strategy, and an assistant for the actual coding, leading to a much more targeted fix. Moving to the results, this table lays out the performance on the SWE bench verified dataset. The main metric used is PASSET-1, which measures the percentage of software issues fixed correctly on the first attempt. And SWE-Exp, at the very bottom, achieves a new state-of-the-art of 41.6%. That's a huge jump over its direct base method, SWE search. What's really striking is that this result, using the DeepSeek v3 model, outperforms several other methods that use the more powerful GPT-4o model, showing that a smarter, experience-driven strategy can be more impactful than just raw model scale. This table then details an ablation study, which is where you remove key components one by one to see how much each part contributes to the final result. Okay, so removing the comprehension experiences, those high-level strategic guides, causes the biggest performance drop by 3.2%. Taking away the modification experiences, which are the specific coding patterns, and even removing the dual agent structure also hurt the results. These findings clearly show that all the components are complementary and contribute positively to the overall success. So to wrap things up, SWE-Exp really establishes a new paradigm. By giving agents a memory of past fixes, it moves them from simple trial and error to strategic, experience-driven problem solving. This work clearly shows that a smarter framework can be more powerful than just a bigger model. That's it for this episode.